To set which action your phone will do when your S Pen is removed in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Tap when S Pen is removed. Here you are provided with 3 options. The first one is open air command. This option is selected by default when this option is selected. And when you remove your S Pen, your phone will automatically open up the air command menu. As you can see in the screen, it's the air command menu. Next, insert your S Pen. Tap when S Pen is removed. The second option available is create note. Select this option. Now remove your S Pen. You can see that your phone will automatically create a new note for you. Next, insert your S Pen pack. Tap when S Pen is removed. The last option available is nothing. Select this option. Now remove your S Pen. You can see that your phone will do nothing when you remove your S Pen. As we have seen how each option works, you can choose which action your phone will do when your S Pen is removed, so it can fit with your need. You can choose to set your phone to open up the air command menu, create a new note, or even set your phone to do nothing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.